Are Calgary home prices really falling? The headlines might have you worried, but the real story of February 2026's market is more nuanced than you think.
Stay tuned as we break down the latest benchmark prices and what they mean for you. Hi, I'm Wayne Burton, and this is my son Sean with the Burton Real Estate Group at Remax West.
We help people just like you every week who want to make the right move in Calgary, and we'd love to help you too. You can also click the links in the description below to get in touch directly, start your search, or download our exclusive buyer's guide packed with insights. Welcome back. Let's dive straight into the heart of Calgary's real estate market for February 2026. While some might focus on average prices, we always look at the benchmark price because it gives a much clearer apples-to-apples comparison by adjusting for the property type and features. It's also the most reliable indicator of true market value.
Overall, the total residential benchmark price in Calgary for February stood at $560,500. This represents a 4.4% decrease year over year, but interestingly, we saw a 1% increase month over month from January. This slight monthly uptick suggests some stabilization after earlier declines, but the year over year figures still reflect a shift in the market's dynamics.
Okay, let's talk about detached homes, often considered the backbone of the Calgary market. The benchmark price for detached properties in February was $734,300. This is a 3.2% decrease year over year, but a positive sign. We had a 1.4% increase month over month.
Sales for detached homes were 736 units, a 4% decrease year over year, but the new listings remained stable at 1,269. Inventory levels were up by 14% year over year, reaching 1,941 units, which translate to 2.64 months of inventory. Conditions are becoming more balanced, giving buyers a bit more breathing room than last year.
Now for apartments, the story is a bit different. The benchmark price for apartments is currently $298,600. This segment saw the most significant year-over-year decline of 9%, and also a slight decrease month over month of 0.86%.
The CREB report highlights an oversupply in the apartment condominium sector. The sales were down 27% year over year to 345 units, while the listings decreased by 12%. However, the inventory is up by 8%, leading to a 4.5 months of supply. This means buyers in the apartment market have more options and potentially more leverage.
Moving on to semi-detached homes, the benchmark price was $682,200. This category saw a modest 0.38% year-over-year decrease, but a healthy 2.28% increase month over month. Sales were up 7% year-over-year to 175 units, with inventory up 27%, resulting in 2.37 months of supply. This segment remains quite competitive and more of a seller's market.
For row homes, the benchmark price was $423,600, showing a 5% year-over-year decrease, but a 0.67% month-over-month increase. Sales were down 15% year-over-year to 317 units, while the inventory increased by 34.39%, leading to a 2.08 months of supply. Like semi-detached, this segment is also seeing some tightening.
Beyond the local numbers, it's crucial to consider the broader economic landscape. The Bank of Canada has maintained its policy interest rate at 2.25% through February 2026, and most economists expect this to remain stable much of the year.
Stable interest rates can bring a sense of predictability to the market, which is generally good for both the buyers and the sellers. Calgary's economic outlook for 2026 suggests a more balanced market after several years of rapid growth, which aligns to what we're seeing in the housing data.
So, what does this all mean for you? If you're a buyer, especially in the apartment segment, you're likely to find more options and potentially more room for negotiation due to increased supply levels.
For detached and semi-detached homes, while still being competitive, the market is less frenzied than before, although competing offers on well-priced homes are still a thing.
Understanding these benchmark prices for specific property types and areas is key to making an informed offer.
And for sellers, it means while the market is still strong, particularly in the detached and semi-detached homes, realistic pricing strategies are more important than ever. Overpricing can lead to longer days in the market and multiple price reductions, always resulting in less in the end.
Working with experienced agents like us who understand these nuances can make all the difference in navigating this evolving market successfully.
Whether you're looking to buy or sell or just curious about the market, we're here to help you make the informed decision.
Check out the links in the description below to book a call with us or view our other resources. Stay tuned for more valuable content like this. Thanks so much for watching, and we look forward to hearing from you.